Let's walk you through how to send in your existing cast, step by step. Select the Send My Existing Cast option during checkout. Once your order is placed, we'll prepare and ship a return package for your existing cast. Let's take a look at what's inside your package. You'll find a prepaid return label and a courier bag to send it back to us. Included are an information card and a secure container for your cast. Gently place your existing cast into the provided container. Carefully pack everything back into the same box for safe return. Fill the information card and place it inside. Securely pack the package to prevent movement during shipping. To process your return, attach the return label and drop off the package at any drop-off point based on the courier indicated on the label. Once we received your existing cast, crafting will take 2 to 3 working days before your order is ready for shipment. In just a few days, your custom dental appliance, along with your original cast, will arrive at your doorstep, crafted for comfort, durability, and a precise fit. Every order is backed by our 30-day warranty, giving you added peace of mind with your purchase.